Uh, In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can create a newsletter in LinkedIn. So it's very simple. All you have to do is go to your page super or content admin view. For example, if you are in your LinkedIn website and this is obviously your homepage that looks like this. So on the left side, you'll see these newsletters here. Just click on it and this will take you to the newsletter page. So at the moment I haven't written a newsletter yet, but if I want to do so, I'll just click create newsletter. Then I'll have to add the title and select the publishing frequency to whatever I want. Then a description. Then after that, then upload an image. And once everything is done, just click done, and that will be all to create a newsletter on LinkedIn. And after you create a newsletter, you can publish your first edition almost immediately, and you can publish additional editions or edit or delete editions at any time. So also, if you want to know make more better newsletters, just search YouTube and search for how to create better newsletter on LinkedIn, and you'll find a lot of ideas you can implement on your newsletters. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.